So welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all the process of me bleaching knots on this wig. So let's get into it. First we ready to take our Gatsby and spread along our hairline. Not too much though, not too much. And pull the hair back out of the way. No little flyaways in the way or none of that. Okay, y'all, so now we got all the little flyaways out the way. We're gonna flip it over. It should look something like this. Pepper spray.
No, the baby has no flyaways in the way. So then we're gonna put it inside out.
I'm really trying to learn how to bleach knots, y'all, so I really hope this turn out better than my other one. Like, I bleached some of my knots in my other wig, but it was kind of melted. But I want this to be like, you know, like I'm Tay, like I'm Jordan, giving very much luxury. We're gonna spray some more Gatsby. This is just like protecting the underhair. Now y'all, we ready to take our mixing bowl and our little brush, our Pt.1 and our developer. We're gonna see how far this gets us. Okay, y'all, so I only put like a little bit of developer in there and more powder than I put developers. So it's supposed to be like a little thick consistency. That's why I only put a little bit in there. But I'm gonna add as I go. Cause it's the part I be going wrong at. Consistency. So where it don't leak through and dye the hair. Cause that's what I'm really scared of. I've always been scared of that. While I'm trying to bleach some knots. So, I don't know if I can see this, but like, this is a thick consistency. So, we're right about to slap it on here. You're supposed to be gentle. Like gentle. You're not supposed to pat it on there so it don't leak through. It's just supposed to sit on the top.
sure you're really not pushing it into the little bitty holes.
And I'm so mad this is not a full like 13 by 6 wig, because I love me a side part. I love me a deep side part at that. But I'm gonna make it work, and I'll show you guys in probably the next video. I'm gonna do like a series on this wig, because I really want to get better at my technique and everything. And when you bleaching, like, go a little bit over, like bring it over on the lace that don't have any knots on there. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so like I was talking about bringing it a little over the little knots, like this right here, and this is on the lace. This is going over the lace over here. So we're gonna let this sit about 30 minutes. I'm gonna check on it because I use 30 volume developer. I use that because it could speed up the process. It won't take as long. And I accidentally got some of the bleach into her, honey, but I did good compared to my other trial and errors. So I'm gonna put some aluminum foil on the top so it could bake a little quicker. And if you start like me, you can just check on it every now and then. I don't want to put it too on there, like it'll smash the bleach into. This is what we work with right now. Okay, guys, so it's been 30 minutes since it's been on there. I'm gonna show you. I think we did it, y'all. I think we did it. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. Funny, cause I think I did it. I think I did the thing. So I'm gonna go wash this out. I don't have no purple shampoo or purple conditioner. I wish I did, but we're gonna see how it turned out. Okay, y'all, so I bleached most of the knots. Most of them, okay. You can see like right here, some of them didn't bleach, but 9 times out of 10, they're gonna get put out during plucking, so we're just gonna help that, okay?
On the top. What's on the front? Yes, I'll be liking one from the front.
If I bleach it again, I'm for certain it's gonna get out of knot.
Like, it don't look bad. It's gonna blend in good. These knots right here, they really got them good. Just these will get plucked out because I'm on a snap like this. You see, over bleach the hair right here. But it's nothing we can't fix. Just a little lace tint, or not even lace tint. Well, you got, it could be lace tint and spray on there. So cover that up. Yeah. This was my attempt, my closest attempt to bleaching these knots. I don't know if I want to try it again. I'm scared. But I really...
I want y'all to see the knots that did get bleached. Like, it looks so good, and I really wish. Stay tuned for what the install will look like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, y'all, so I got some purple shampoo. I just wanted to show y'all. I got this. So after you bleach your knot, to get the brassiness away, we're gonna put the shampoo on there, y'all. And I don't know why this stuff costs so much, or then it's really hard to find. So it costs so much and it's hard to find, but whatever.